Welcome back to Andy's Guides. In today's video, we are going to show you how to find your phone number on Gmail. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Gmail, I need you to click the Create an Account option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Finding the phone number associated with your Gmail account isn't directly possible through Gmail settings or options, alright? However, there are a few methods that we are going to explore to find your Gmail phone number. Because as we all know, your phone number serves as a crucial piece of information for recovering access to your Gmail account if you forgot your password or are locked out. Because Google may use your phone number or two-factor authentication or 2FAs as a recovery method for added security. Verifying your phone number ensures that you can securely access to your account. So what I suggest is once you are on the Gmail website, even if you're on the web browser or on your Gmail app, I need you to hover to the upper right corner where you can see your profile icon. Now here, make sure that you are, of course, choosing the right account, because I have more accounts here in my different channels. All right, so here I'm going to use this one. I need you to click on the Manage Your Google Account. Now, once you are here, I need you to click on the left side panel of your dashboard on the Personal Info. Now, in this section, you would be able to see your phone number here. All right, and of course, you have the option to edit this as well if you're changing your phone number here on your Gmail account. All right, this is the part wherein if your phone number changes, you may need to update it in your Google account settings to ensure that Google can reach you, or if you use it for verification purposes, because your phone number may be linked to various Google services and products. Knowing it allows you to manage these services effectively. And of course, from there, in some cases, you may need to provide your phone number as a part of legal compliance requirements, such as when verifying your identity or transactions for agreements. Now, in case you encounter any problems along the way or any issues finding your Gmail phone number in your account, you might want to go here instead. Just go here at the Gmail Help Center and describe your issue, all right? And that's going to be finding your Gmail phone number. And if you get a hold of one of the support staff, they would give you insights and troubleshooting steps on how to finally resolve the issue. All right. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.